The cabin lights flickered momentarily as the Boeing 737 soared over the Atlantic. Most of the passengers were either asleep or quietly absorbed in their screens. Among them was Sarah, a zoologist returning home from an international conference. She was engrossed in her latest research paper when she felt a slight movement near her feet. At first, she thought it was a trick of the mind, a result of her exhaustion. But when a cold, scaly coil wrapped around her ankle, her pulse quickened. She looked down to see a small snake slithering under her seat. The initial shock gave way to her professional instincts. Sarah slowly leaned forward and reached for the call button. "Excuse me, miss," she whispered to the flight attendant who promptly arrived. "I think there's a snake on the plane." The attendant's eyes widened in fear, but she quickly composed herself. "Please remain calm," she said before heading to the cockpit to inform the captain. Word spread through the cabin, and panic began to ripple among the passengers. The pilot made a brief announcement to reassure everyone, while Sarah took charge, calming the passengers nearby. She even managed to identify the snake as a harmless species, possibly a stowaway from one of the cargo holds. The crew, guided by Sarah, cautiously captured the snake and placed it in a secure container. The ordeal lasted less than an hour, but it felt like an eternity. As the plane continued its journey, the passengers' tension eased, replaced by a buzz of relieved chatter and laughter. Sarah became somewhat of a hero among them, with several people thanking her for her quick thinking and expertise. When the plane finally landed, airport security took over, ensuring the snake was safely relocated. Sarah, tired but relieved, collected her bags and made her way through the terminal. She couldn't help but smile at the bizarre adventure she had just experienced. Little did she know, her unexpected encounter would soon become a famous anecdote in her future lectures and conferences.